at the waiter. He is busy at work. He is carrying a lot of tall glasses and some plates on the tray. Oh no! He has accidentally knocked against a table. All the tall glasses have fallen to the floor. However, the plates are still on the tray. Do you know why the plates did not fall like the tall glasses? Think about this.
Let's look at these objects. These objects are of different shapes. Which objects can topple over easily? Why do you say so? Discuss this with your friends. Then click Check to find out. Cuboid or pyramid have a flat base area. So, these objects will not topple over easily. Objects with a flat base area are stable. Objects with the shape of a cone, cylinder, sphere, or hemisphere have a curved surface. When we place the objects this way, they can roll over easily. So, objects with a curved surface are not stable when we place them like this. However, we can try to make objects with a curved surface more stable. How do we do it? Share your ideas with your friends. Then click Check to find out. Now, the objects cannot move or topple over easily. On the flat sides, these objects become stable. However, the object with the shape of a sphere has no flat face. It is still not stable. Here are two books that are identical, Book A and Book B. Both books have the shape of a cuboid. Both books have a flat base area. Let's lay Book A like this on the table. Now put Book B like this. Which book is more stable now? Click on the correct book. Book A is more stable than Book B. It does not topple over easily. Book B is less stable than Book A. It can topple over easily. Now, here are two bottles of mineral water. Let's put bottle A upright and bottle B upside down. Which bottle is more stable now? Click on the correct bottle. Bottle A is more stable than bottle B. It does not topple over easily. Bottle B is less stable than bottle A. It can topple over easily. Let's look at the books and bottles again. Why is book A more stable than book B? Why is bottle A more stable than bottle B? Discuss this with your friends. Then click Check to find out. More stable than book B. Book A has a bigger base area than book B. Bottle A is more stable than bottle B. Bottle A has a bigger base area than bottle B. What can you conclude from this explanation? Discuss this with your friends. Then click Conclusion to find out. Stability of objects. An object with a bigger base area is more stable than an object with a smaller base area. So, the bigger the base area, the more stable the object is. Base area is a factor that affects the stability of an object. Are there any other factors that affect the stability of an object? Here are two containers with the shape of a cylinder. Both containers have the same diameter. However, container A is short while container B is tall. When a cylinder is put on its flat face, it is stable. Now, what happens if we push the table? Which container would topple first? Which container is more stable? Click on the correct container. Container A is more stable than container B. It does not topple over easily. Container B is less stable than container A. It can topple over easily. Here are two toy structures. Structure A is shorter than structure B. If we push the table, which toy structure would topple first? Which toy structure is more stable? Click on the correct structure. Structure A is more stable than structure B. It does not topple over easily. Structure B is less stable than structure A. It can topple over easily. Let's look at the containers and toy structures again. Why is container A more stable than container B? Why is structure A more stable than structure B? Discuss this with your friends. Then click Check to find out. More stable than container B. Container A is shorter than container B. Structure A is more stable than structure B. Structure A is shorter than structure B. Height affects the stability of an object. A high or tall object is less stable than a short or low object. So, the higher or taller the object, the less stable it is. Height is another factor that affects the stability of an object. Base area. Objects with the shape of a cone, cylinder, sphere or hemisphere have a curved surface. Objects with a flat base area are stable. Objects with a curved surface are not stable when we place them this way. Objects that are stable do not topple over easily. There are two factors that affect the stability of an object: the base area of the object, the height of the object. An object with a bigger base area is more stable than an object with a smaller base area. The bigger the base area, the more stable the object is. A high or tall object is less stable than a short or low object. The higher or taller the object, the less stable the object is.